Thank you for joining us. Our top story, that wet weather, of course, that you're experiencing outside. Evacuation warnings are in effect as the storm system could unleash life-threatening flooding and cause power outages.
Governor Gavin Newsom has declared a state of emergency in response to the winter storm, and this declaration will bolster the emergency response efforts and authorizes the mobilization of the California National Guard if needed. It also directs Caltrans to request immediate assistance from the Federal Highway Administration to expedite road repairs caused by rain damage.
This is a difficult storm, and right now this is going to be about the worst of it for the next few hours. So we've been really advising people to really stay off the roadways if you can today, especially this morning. And if you do go out, be really careful. Take extra time, take it slow, all the usual warnings on it.